Congratulations, class of 2020. Wishing you health and success as you carve a new path forward in 2020.
I am so proud of our graduating class. You rose to the challenge of finishing up your studies through an alternate delivery with very little time to get comfortable with different online platforms. I am looking forward to celebrating your accomplishments at Convocation in the spring of 2021. Please stay in touch, everyone.
Congratulations, graduates of 2020. You have fulfilled all the requirements of your program and overcome the hardships of the last 4 weeks of the winter semester. I wish you now good luck on your future endeavors. You did it!
Congratulations to the graduating class of 2020. Great job, well done. We're proud of you. I hope you're proud of yourselves. Some of you have survived the strike of 2017, and all of you have survived the COVID-19 pandemic. Again, great job. I just want to give a special shout out to the accounting grads of 2020. This penguin is dedicated to you. All the best in your future, everyone.
Dedication, perseverance, and commitment. You guys have it in spades. Congratulations to our 2020 Healthcare Administration International graduates. Best wishes as you move into the world of work, for those of you looking for further postgraduate education, and for those looking for professional licensure. I'm so proud of you.
Hi, it's Carla Kingston from the Cornwall campus. Just popping in to say, woohoo! Congratulations, class of 2020. You made it. It was a difficult year. You persevered. You've done well. Look forward to seeing you at your actual ceremony, but until then, cheers. Well done, class of 2020.
Congratulations to the Office Administration Legal and Health Services class of 2020. Be very proud of yourselves. You made it.
I'm Chris Paul with the Pre-Service Firefighter Program at St. Lawrence College, extending my congratulations to the class of 2020. You've worked extremely hard to get to this point, and you should be proud of yourself. We at St. Lawrence College salute you and welcome you to our alumni family. Helmets off.
Hi, this is Jamie Bellick from the Mental Wellness and Addictions Worker Program from the Brockville campus. I just wanted to take this moment to extend my most sincere gratitude to the graduating class of 2020. You've done it. You've graduated. You've run the race marked out for you, and you've crossed the finish line. What a strange way to wish you congratulations, but I think what this does is it showcases your ability to be resilient, to be able to bounce back from adversity. And what an invaluable skill to tuck into your back pocket as you embark on this new leg of your professional journey. Well done, graduating class of 2020.
Congratulations to all the ECE students. Way to go!
Congratulations, students from the School of Community Services, from your Associate Dean, that's me, Louise Chatterton-Luchuk, and congratulations to all graduates, regardless of the program, across all 3 campuses and beyond of St. Lawrence College. Well done.
Hi, class of 2020. This is Andre LeBlanc, Director of Human Resources. Congratulations on your success. You have been equipped to become leaders in our communities, and I wish you every success as you creatively forge ahead and follow the path that awaits you. Congratulations.
Congrats, CYC class of 2020, you did it! On behalf of the entire CYC faculty team, I want to express how really proud we are of you. You are so ready for what lies ahead, and we cannot wait to see you cross that graduation stage next spring.
Congratulations to all the culinary students. You're a graduate of 2020. I hope you have a fantastic time in the industry. Go out there and have some fun.
Hello, class of 2020. Louis Savard, Professor of Project Management. Wow, you did it. You persevered, you focused, and you succeeded. Success that will undoubtedly follow you throughout your whole career pathway. Now go out there, make your mark on the world. Congratulations.
CICE, fabulous, congratulations.
Congratulations to the class of 2020, especially our Med Science class. I hope you do well in your exams, and I hope you have an amazing summer and just keep on going out there and saving lives.
Hello, St. Lawrence College graduates of 2020. Connie Rollick here in the School of Applied Science and Computing. You've overcome a lot of unexpected twists and turns, but now you know that no matter what life throws at you, that you've got what it takes. Congratulations.
Congratulations, St. Lawrence College class of 2020. In the beautiful words of Ella Fitzgerald, just don't give up trying what you really want to do. All the best.
Hello everyone. My name is Derek Davies, Professor and Coordinator of the Community and Justice Services Program. Congratulations to the class of 2020. You did it. You didn't just do it. You worked hard and you adapted. You especially adapted this past semester. All of that hard work and that adaptability will only help you moving forward in your life and your career. Congratulations once again.
Congratulations to the class of 2020. You did it, and I hope you stay in touch.
What's up, graduates? Adam Smith from the Athletics Department. Just want to say congratulations. 2020 graduation, you did it. Congrats.
Bonnie Dawson here from Early Childhood Education. Class of 2020, my goodness, you've been through plenty. Endless isolation, no cap, no gown, no graduation. But ECEs use your creativity and imagination. Find your way to celebrate, class of 2020.
There are far, far better things ahead than any we leave behind. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Congratulations.